Hey guys, it's David White again. We're back here with another saxophone review. Okay, let's open it up. This is a brand new saxophone. I haven't even opened it. I might have opened it once. Ooh wee! Look at that bell. Ooh wee! Let's listen to see how the pads feel. Any playing the keys? Let's check. It's one beautiful bell. Put that back in the case. There I go, already dropping stuff. A nice neck. Let's put that inside of the horn. A mouthpiece, guys. It looked like a copy of Summer Sea Star Square Chamber. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Put that over here on the belt. Ooh, a nice neck strap. How does it look? Swab. Nice ligature. And music arts, quick grease, and one reed. Okay. See you in the flip, because I'm about to put the instrument together. Here's that beautiful bell I was talking about. Some nice engravings. Do you see it? Case. Okay, guys. Teach you how to put the neck mouthpiece and reed on the ligature. Okay, see this? This is a ligature, guys. You take the reed, make sure it's barely moist. You put it on the table, reed table, like so. Then you take your ligature, slide it over. Let me figure it out real quick. Now, let me put this down on top of your case. Then you take this bell, take your neck strap, and do that. I want to put that down for a second. Like so. Just the snap strap. Then you want to grab the mouthpiece and make sure it's straight with the reed on straight and everything. Okay. It's ready to play. It's not my saxophone yet. I haven't claimed it as mine. Still working out the kinks. This is not my mouthpiece. I haven't got my reading lecture kicked off yet. Well, that wraps up the video with this beautiful alto baby.